So the basic pay will be 1,664,000. Yeah. Then we have to calculate for the bonuses. We shall start with the Halsey scheme. Halsey scheme. So for the Halsey scheme, we said we calculate a half of the time saved times the time rate. So how are we going to get the time that this person saved? They told us that this person was supposed to use 80 minutes per unit and he worked on 408 units. So it will be 8 times 480, which is going to be 3,840 minutes. But it's supposed to be in hours, meaning we divide by 60 to get the hours, and this is going to be 64 hours. So this person was supposed to take 64 hours to produce 408 units, but instead the person used 52 hours. These are the actual hours that were taken, meaning the difference between these two is the time saved, which is 12 hours. So this person saved 12 hours. So in order to get the bonus, we shall get half of the time saved times the time rate. So half of 12 hours times the time rate, which is 32,000. So this will be 6 times 32,000, and it is going to be 192,000, like that. So that is the bonus under the Halsey scheme. Then the Halsey-Weir scheme. For this we said we get a third of the time saved times the time rate. So a third, the time saved is 12 hours. A third times 12 hours times 2,000. So it is going to be 128,000. This is the bonus under the Halsey-Weir scheme. Then for the Rowan bonus, we use the time taken divided by the time that is allowed. Then times the time saved times the time rate. So the time taken was 52 hours, divided by the time that was allowed, 64 hours, times the time saved, which is 12, times the time rate, which is 32,000. And what we get is 312,000. That's the bonus under the Rowan method. Then in order for us to get the total pay under all the methods, you just get this basic pay plus this. You get the total pay under the Halsey scheme. Then for this, the Halsey-Weir, you get the basic pay plus this. You get the total under this. You do the same for Rowan. You get the basic pay plus this. Then that will be the total pay. for this person. So that is it under the incentives scheme.